Well, due to my business trip to Munich, Germany, so I have to pre-record this lecture 3. The lecture 3 will be quite short because actually the main content of this lecture 3 is not my lecture, but setting up our exercise environment. And yes, in this semester, we will use several free softwares like Craft, which is developed by myself, and it is a processor emulator. And also G-Device, developed by myself, and this is the semiconductor device simulator. And we have also other third-party tools like Xscheme, schematic editor, and ngSpice, circuit simulator. Of course, there are many wonderful commercial tools for these circuit simulation. However, we have to pay a lot of money to get licenses. So since our course is open to arbitrary number of students in the GIST, so I was not able to secure enough number of licenses for all of you guys. So that's the reason why in this semester we are trying to use entirely free software tools and also other tools which can be obtained freely. So, well, anyway, we need a common work environment shared by all of our students and myself. So, please do so. Please create an account in our exercise server. Then what is the exercise server and how can you create an account? So in this aspect, our TA will give you some instructions. Okay. So now this is the end of our story. So you just perform the homework and this is due is just 2 days and it is quite simple. Just submit a record video, send it to me directly via email. And in that case, actually you must log in the exercise server and learn the following programs. So I will show you how can you do that. Just type their names in the terminal, then that's all. So details information will be given by our TA. So if you are enrolled students, you will get the information. So let me just show you the one you can do. So right now you are in the exercise server. So of course, this is corresponding to my own ID and you may have your own. And in that case, what you have to do is first show that you have logged in, then just type BI. This is a text editor. Then you will have this VI. And there is another text editor available in this environment, and that is Emacs. Emacs is really powerful, and I love to use it. And yes, this is our Emacs, and well, so anyway, you can select whatever you want to. And although I do not use it, but our students are using other text editors with their own preference. Okay, now I have just introduced two different text editors, and now Armstrong Craft. And this is the process emulator being developed by myself in August and September, still in its development. And when you type it, then you can find that actually we need a certain input file name, but right now you don't have it. Okay, so another one is G device. So this is the device simulator, and when you type it, then you can find that. Okay, so it shows a little bit more. But anyway, even in this case, you should specify the name of the input file. So right now, I'm not showing you the correct uh, file format for using this Armstrong Crypto or G device. But later on, I will just share the correct input files and you will get a lot of fun from those tools. Okay, so what you have to do is just showing these four commands VI, Emacs, Armstrong-Craft, and GDevice, and you will get just a trivial result. But in this homework 3, it is completely okay. In order to get this job, you have to have many steps before eventually get this result. Okay, so good luck, and I hope that all of you guys can safely enter into our exercise server. Okay, thank you and bye.